Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to claim your pending Robux. Alright, let's get right into this guide. The first thing you need to do is head over to the Roblox website. If you're using a mobile device, you also need to access the Roblox website via your browser, as this process cannot be done through the Roblox app at the moment. To do that, go to the top right corner and tap on the Robux icon in your balance. This will show your balance again and the option to buy Robux. Tap on your balance once more, and this will take you to the transaction page. Here, you'll see a lot of information. Scroll down to find incoming Robux and locate pending Robux. As you can see, I have 0 pending Robux at the moment, but you might have some. Now, you're probably wondering, how can I move the pending Robux into my main balance so I can spend it? Pending Robux will automatically move to your main balance after the pending period is over. You don't need to manually claim it. But, how long is it going to be pending for? This can vary. The shortest time your Robux could be pending is between 3 to 5 days. The longest it may be pending is up to 30 days. If after 30 days it's still pending, it's probably worth contacting Roblox support for assistance. If your pending Robux is less than you expected, remember that Roblox takes a 30% cut from sales. For example, if you sold a game pass for 10 Robux, you'll only receive 7 Robux. To see the items you sold on Roblox, go to the transaction type summary and tap on sales of goods. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel for more guides like this. Thanks for watching.